please welcome Bajrangi Bhaijaan himself, Mr. Salman Khan. Um, Salman, and before we actually get down to the trailer, a couple of questions. Salman, on a more serious note, I just want to tell everyone knows that it is the first film that's coming out of the Salman Khan film stable. So, why is it that you chose Bajrangi Bhaijaan as the film that will really be the flag bearer to this Salman Khan films?
बिकॉज इससे अच्छी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली और फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर भी एक बहुत ही सिंसियर एंड बहुत ही जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम है कबीर खान. इसके पहले उन्होंने एक हमें फिल्म दी थी जो कि ठीक ठाक चल गई थी, टाइगर. तो इससे बेटर बेट क्या हो सकता है. तो आई थॉट कि सेफ खेलो और अगर होम प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करना है तो घर से ही शुरू करो. मिनी एंड कबीर आर लाइक फैमिली. तो हमने सोचा कि इससे बेस्ट कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी हमें.
So सलमान, बजरंगी भाईजान की क्या खास बात है? आप प्लीज हमारे प्रेस को बताइए, and then we're gonna show them what it's really all about. But why is it special for you?
खासियत यह है कि मेरी तरफ बहुत ही सिंपल है बजरंगी भाईजान और बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही नेक हैं, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. अरे वाह. 15 साल के तक कोई टेंशन नहीं मुझे. जब तक ये ऑडियंस रहता है ना,
It's all good.
it's all good.
That's true.
It's all good, all good.
More about that though. Before we actually reveal the trailer, Salman, should we call on the director of the film onto the stage
Yeah,
and
please.
उनसे भी एक गुफ्तगू हो जाए? So
Please. हाँ,
ladies and
बुलाइए
gentlemen,
उन्हें.
here's a guy who I've pretty much crushed on for the last 15, 17 years, Kabir Khan.
Hi.
All right. So Kabir, everyone is waiting for Salman and you to show them the trailer first. बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी बातें हैं, which I'm sure they want to know about the film. It's weird, me asking him questions because I already know some of the answers. But this is a good opportunity because whatever I ask him, he has to answer today. Was Salman always Pawan for you in this, when you thought of Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
You know, this is a question that was asked me even when I was making Ekta Tiger, and somebody asked me why Salman, and my answer was, is there another tiger in the industry? So similarly for Bajrangi Bhaijaan also, once you see the film, there is nobody better for this role than Salman. It's basically Salman personified. And that was very evident जब मैंने पहली ये कहानी जो मिस्टर विजेंद्र प्रसाद ने हमें बताई थी, जब मैंने सुनाई सलमान को, we both just fell in love with this story. And it's in some way, this is the way we want to see the world. This is the way we feel the world should be. And that's why it became a very special film for us. And not only did he agree to act in it, he said, I'm producing this film.
That was a bit of a surprise, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
So इससे पहले कि हम और फिल्म के बारे में आगे बातें करें, should we just unleash it?
Yes.
Yep. All right. So I request you to just keep your cameras down for a bit. We'll give you a photo opportunity with everybody and also have a question answer. Whatever you want to know, we are here. But if you can just put your cameras down for a minute and not use the flashes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I ask you, are you ready? Ready for the Bajrangi Bhaijaan trailer? Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Exactly what you expected? More, less? More. Okay. Okay. It's time कि हम आपको उन सबसे मिलवाएं. People who've been, who you would like to question, people who've been involved with the film. So once again, जोरदार तालियों के साथ, please let's have Salman back on stage. Salman. पवन की रसिका आ गई, please.
This is the girl who had a crush on me.
15 years you've been
17,
crushing.
15, 17 years. My Benji.
All right, we'll find somebody else who we can crush in a will. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you an opportunity. Please put your hands together for the incredibly talented Nawazuddin Siddiqui. The producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, he's a co-producer. Please welcome Rockline Venkatesh. Umar Butala is the co-producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and he's also the COO of Salman Khan Film. सुनेंगे नहीं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, तो please this is an opportunity to get your photo up. Please let's do that first, get over with it, and then we'll do a Q&A. Now we'll just do a couple of questions. You can all sit, please, if however it's comfortable. All right. Okay. So we will be opening the floor open, to you guys for questioning as well. But there are a couple of questions which I think मैं ही पूछ लूँ तो better है, उनसे आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा what Bajrangi Bhaijaan and its making was all about. Kareena, I'll start with you first. आप पवन की रसिका की इस फिल्म में, जैसे कि सलमान ने बोला, he's been your admirer for 15 years. It's the first Salman Khan film's home production, and you're its very first heroine. How does that feel? And
Well, I
how
think
was it
there-
playing Rasika?
There are quite a few firsts, especially when it comes to Salman. The first man who saw me in a night dress also was Salman Khan when I was 9 years old. Now, plus the fact that I think that when Atul and Baby became a producer for the first time, I was in their first film in Bodyguard. When Arbaz became a director for the first time, I was in Dabang 2 in Fevicol. And now Salman becomes a producer for the first time. I'm his Rasika in the film. And of course, I'm working with Kabir for the first time.
That's right. So there are many, many firsts. How has it been playing, Rasika? It's a character which has a lot of layers, and she's
Yeah, it's a
pretty
special
pure.
character. We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine, because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we've tried to keep it as real, and I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
Great. There's a whole lot of fan base out there which is just waiting for the trailer to come out so they can see your look in the film and what you're doing in the film, and they finally got to see it. Kabir, um, a little bit of an introduction to. क्यों हंस रहे हैं आप लोग मेरे पे? This is ridiculous. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ, अब हंसते हैं. कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी सीरियस क्वेश्चंस पूछूं, आप why don't you tell everyone about I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger than life backdrop. And that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to, that's the kind of cinema I like watching, and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, one just saw in the trailer that there are multiple locations and there are deserts and there are mountains and there are rivers and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप you like to shoot around,
Karjat.
Bombay, Karjat,
No,
Panvel.
studio Panvel Karjat. But he likes to shoot all over the world.
So आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है एंड ही इज अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया इस बार. पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश के भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर 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 लेके गए हमको. It was a great experience.
But you did it, and you did it so like आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walked through deserts. So आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking inside? गालियाँ दे रहे थे या?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. What has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा, it's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal
I
discoveries भी
think
हुई as the film?
जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी, तो एक वो ग्रीड आता है ना कि ये फिल्म किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. There is such a beautiful story told कि I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me.
चलिए.
So for you guys, I mean कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर, लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं कि इस फिल्म को इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं कि ये फिल्म अब चलना ना चलना वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, लेकिन we've given this film our best because we totally believe in this film. ये प्यार मोहब्बत की फिल्म है, सिंपल लोगों की कहानी है, और एक लार्जर देन लाइफ के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है. मुझे तो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि हम लोग सिर्फ एडिटिंग रूम में फिल्म देखते हैं या ओनली व्हेन यू डबिंग, बट जब इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं, तो बार बार ये नरेशन सुनाई दे रहा था मुझे. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, एंड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ शॉट आई वाज नॉर्मल, साउंड, कैमरा, एक्शन, and in the emotional moments tears used to come out. So usually, I'm talking about me, मैं बड़ी ठोक पीट के काम करता हूँ, emotional scene में, not to feel that emotion, to put glycerine and to make it work, it looks okay on screen, so इतनी मेहनत क्यों करो. But in this film I didn't even have to do that. I used to turn around in a shot and there were tears flowing down my cheeks. And एक्शन में गुस्सा आता था, कॉमेडी में हंसी आती थी, रोमांस में बस रोमांस का ही प्रॉब्लम था बस.
We won't ask.
रोमांस में अली आते थे, सैफ अली आते थे.
Karina, we won't ask you to comment on that one. I think Karina can make her chemistry work with anybody pretty much because they really look really hot in the film. नवाज, आपकी ये सलमान के साथ दूसरी फिल्म है, कबीर के साथ भी दूसरी फिल्म है, आपने न्यूयॉर्क में भी एक किरदार निभाया था. How was it working with the Salman Khan in this film, where you're not really like, playing the other guy, you know?
एक्चुअली किक में तो ज़्यादा क्योंकि बॉम्बे में शूट हो रहा था, तो आउटडोर पे जब जाते हैं तो बहुत बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है, तो एक दूसरे के बारे में काफ़ी जानने लगते हैं. तो जैसे मंडावा से शुरू हुआ, जयपुर के पास में है मंडावा जहाँ से हमने शूटिंग शुरू की, और वहाँ से फिर कश्मीर तक शूटिंग करते गए. तो बहुत मज़ेदार जर्नी थी एक तरह से अगर देखा जाए तो. वो स्क्रीन पे भी पता चलता है. वो जब आप आउटडोर का एक फ़ायदा होता है कि जैसे जैसे आप टाइम निकलता जाता है और ऐसे बॉन्डिंग बनती जाती है आपकी, और वो केमिस्ट्री फिर स्क्रीन पे भी दिखती है. इट वाज फन एक्चुअली टू
What
वर्किंग.
kind of a
वो
co-star is
डिपेंड
Salman?
करता है किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो. ये इसका नेगेटिव भी होता है, जैसे जैसे काम करते जाते हो वैसे वैसे और मुश्किल होते जाता है.
मुश्किल भी बढ़ती चली जाती है.
वो आपकी तीसरी फिल्म में देख लेंगे फिर. But I just like to, turn the mic around to Venkatesh. Firstly, Rockline isn't your real name, is it?
Yes, Rockline Venkatesh.
It's a very cool name. I just want to
Thank
tell you that.
Thank you very much.
How has it been, your association with Salman Khan Films? You're one of the co-producers, and what do you want to say to the press about the association?
I'm very happy to be a part of this movie. And really, it's a miracle. It's a miracle to me. Being a co-producer for Salman Khan's film and Kabir Khan's film. Only because of Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Bajrangi
Thank
is
you.
it?
To thank Mr. Vijayendra Prasad and Rajesh also in this regard. Thank you very
That's
much.
right. He's a wonderful author of the story, and he's right
Yes.
here. I'd like to give him a warm round of applause. He's
The hero of this film is a script, and Mr. Prasad has written the script.
there. He is, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad,
you.
ladies and gentlemen. He's
It is
A
the finest
veteran.
stories that I've ever heard, ever.
Nandu. What do you think was Eros's motivation to be on board for this film?
Well, all I can say is Eros is very delighted to be part of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Kabir Khan, and Eid can't expect anything bigger and better than this. Expect fireworks this Eid.
And more. And I come to the other gentleman in the pink shirt. Amar, you're the CEO of Salman Khan Films. It's a very proud moment for Salman as a producer, and for you guys. It's been a tough journey for this film. It's gone all over the place. I mean, all over the country shooting this film. How has it been for you, honestly? Come on, Amar, give it up.
So it's been quite incredible. We had a finishing line in place, which was that we had to come with this film on Eid, and we've had a cast and crew which has worked really hard to make it to this. And we promise you, what you have is a really entertaining film with a lot of heart. And I just want to thank also our partners who are with us on this film. So Eros, of course, and T-Series, who are not here today, but they've been great help along with the cast and crew. And I think we'll have a really entertaining film at hand on Eid.
Salman, you've been, in all your films, the music is the talking point also. I mean, it's always had beautiful music. So, इस film के music में आप हमेशा involve होते हैं हर film के music के साथ. What do you want to say about the music of this film?
इस फिल्म का अभी तो एक्चुअली थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी कि रमदान कल से शुरू हो रहे हैं, तो सबको रमदान मुबारक हो. एंड उसके बाद ईद आएगा. जब ईद आएगा तो बजरंगी भाईजान ईद के साथ आएगा, और उसके पहले आपको हमारा म्यूज़िक सुनने को मिलेगा, जो कि हमें हर फिल्म के अंदर बोलते हैं कि बहुत ही अच्छा म्यूज़िक है. एवरी फिल्म दिस म्यूज़िक इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, एंड इससे बेटर म्यूज़िक कभी रहा नहीं. परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में ही बोलते हैं, और ये भी बोलते हैं कि लेकिन इस फिल्म में म्यूज़िक बड़ा हटके है. तो जो 15-20 साल के जो इंटरव्यूज़ के अंदर जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस वगैरह किए हैं हम लोगों ने, वो लेके हमेशा से छाप देना चाहिए आप लोगों को.
That's not fair. इस film का music काफी खास है.
खास है
इस फिल्म का?
इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक बहुत ही खास है। प्रीतम ने हमको म्यूजिक दिया है और एक गाना तो आपने सुन ही लिया है जो कि आपको सबको बहुत पसंद आया है। ये हमको कैसे पता चलता है कि म्यूजिक बड़ा हिट हो गया है, क्योंकि भूषण कुमार का एक लुक चेंज हो जाता है। भूषण कुमार खुश होते हैं, हंसते हैं, गाते हैं, उनकी वॉकिंग की स्पीड थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है, थोड़े से और गोरे हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा वेट और पुट ऑन हो जाता है उनका, थोड़े से और दिलदार हो जाते हैं वो। दैट्स हाउ वी गेट टू नो के म्यूजिक चल गया है। और फिर जब रिक्शाओं में बजें और नाइट क्लब्स में बजें और फिर टीवी पर बजे और फिर लोग बच्चे गुनगुनाना शुरू कर दें उसको, देन वी नो दैट द म्यूजिक इज अ बिग हिट। सो ये जो ए ले ले गाना है, ओ ले ये तो बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया यार।
Right. Well, there are a lot of things जो हम अभी आपको बता सकते हैं, which because the making of this film has really been an incredible, journey, not just geographically but emotionally and over, this has been shot over not such a large expanse, so everything has happened pretty much fast. बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जो हम बता सकते हैं, but what we're going to do now, we're going to open the floor to questions for a few questions. Let me see some hands, and we'll take it from there. There's a lady there
Hi,
in white. Yeah.
सलमान, आपके लेफ्ट में आलोक हियर फ्रॉम OFM। सवाल मेरा है कि
सवाल भी वही होगा और जवाब भी pretty much वही होगा।
नहीं सर, वो वाला नहीं है। क्या लगता है आपको कि आखिरकार ये दिन आ गया कि इतनी सारी मुश्किलें आई, कई जगहों पे, लोकेशंस पे शूटिंग भी हुई, कई सारी चीज़ें भी चल रही थी इसी दौरान आपके साथ भी, तो क्या लगता है फाइनली ये दिन आया कि भाई हमने ट्रेलर दिया और ईद पे फिल्म रिलीज करेंगे, कि रिलैक्स फील कर रहे हैं आप? क्योंकि काफ़ी, एक तो ये स्क्रिप्ट भी पहली थी आपके लिए, आपके प्रोडक्शन हाउस के लिए, तो
वहाँ फिरा के आप
नहीं नहीं
हाँ
Uh,
जी हाँ, इस फिल्म में काफ़ी मुश्किलातों से गुजरे हैं और मेनली कबीर खान साहब की वजह से, क्योंकि इनको ट्रैकिंग का बड़ा शौक है, इनको वर्जिन लोकेशंस पे जाने का इनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो हम सबको पूरे यूनिट को लेके चले वहाँ पर। इससे एक बात तो अच्छा हो गया कि सबका स्टैमिना बिल्डअप हो गया और सब फिट हो गए और हमको इस फिल्म के अंदर बड़ी ही खूबसूरत लोकेशंस मिली हैं, एकदम एप्ट लोकेशंस मिली हैं, जो जो मुन्नी का घर है, फिर जो हमारी एक जर्नी है, ट्रैवल है, और जहाँ जहाँ से हम निकलते हैं, दिल्ली से राजस्थान, राजस्थान से कश्मीर, कश्मीर से POK, तो दिस होल जर्नी हैज़ बिन रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल। हमको अब जाके समझ में आता है हम तो बेवकूफ़ हैं, हम बाहर क्यों शूटिंग करते थे? शूटिंग तो अगर करना है तो यहीं पे करना है, क्योंकि एक बार जो आपने फिल्म बना ली और इंशाल्लाह अगर हिट हो गई तो वो लोकेशंस हर कोई देखेगा और फिर ये कि ये कहाँ शूट हुआ, वो कहाँ शूट हुआ, और हमारा टूरिज्म बढ़ता है।
एज अ प्रोड्यूसर भी आपकी पहली फिल्म है, तो प्रोड्यूसर के तौर पे किस तरीके से देखते हैं इस फिल्म को?
मेरा प्रोडक्शन में मेरा इतना कोई ज़्यादा हाथ नहीं था, मतलब कि वो स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगी, डायरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है, हीरोइन बहुत ही अच्छी है, तो नवाज भी ठीक ठाक ही हैं, तो एक सिंपल लोगों की कास्टिंग थी अपार्ट फ्रॉम मी, क्योंकि सब बहुत ही नहायत ही प्रोफेशनल हैं। सिर्फ एक ही आदमी था वो जो कि अनप्रोफेशनल था, जो थोड़ा लेट आता था। अब क्या बोल सकते हैं, खुद ही प्रोड्यूसर था सलमान, तो उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते कुछ।
Please, हमारे
So-
producer को कुछ मत कहिए, Salman. There was a guy there, yeah.
Salman, continuing on that note,
Yes, yes. So
हेलो
सवाल क्या था तुम्हारा यार?
उनका सवाल
हेलो
As a producer, हाँ. As a producer, me having myself as a producer was a very safe bet.
so will the box office collection matter now since you are the producer? Matter more.
I think it will matter अगर चल गई, बहुत चली, तो it will matter. It will matter. Hugely matter. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो it will hugely matter. See,
Okay.
हेलो
Okay,
सलमान
Ji-
हाय
Just one sec. We've got two mics. होली लग रही है हाँ, सलमान.
ये सब बातें हैं. आई मीन एक किसी ने पूछा था कि हमसे कि यार ये क्या लगता है इसे बहुत बड़ी हिट होगी. अब वो हुई नहीं इतनी बड़ी हिट. तो ये दुआ कर रहे थे कि उतनी जो मांगी थी ना उतनी ना हो, लेकिन इतनी जो लग रही है ना उतनी भी ना हो. रियलिस्टिक.
I think that's
Realistic.
quite accurate. Yeah.
Salman?
Mr. Salman Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, I have a question here. I'm Hitesh from Bangalore. It would be I know that there's a song called Selfie Le 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 from this movie. But can I please have, and I humbly request, can I please have a selfie with the both of y'all? Please, it's a humble
Okay,
request.
we'll do photo
Please,
ops
just
later.
one selfie, just one.
No, I'll tell you what we'll do. I
Just
think
one,
it's just
just
going to
one.
open another Pandora's
No,
box.
I
of-
wouldn't. I promise. I'll take it on behalf of everybody, and I'm not going to.
Really?
One
Sorry.
second.
Okay, one second.
One second. There is a Kareena Kapoor and there is Salman Khan standing right there. You can take it with them as well. अरे
Okay,
ये
just
मर
hold
जाएंगे
it.
भाई.
Okay, we'll do this. Let's just finish
The
the
song is not
questions.
selfie. It's a
Yeah.
le.
Hi.
We just
Salman.
changed it.
First of all, congratulations. जो यहाँ पे आपके
बैंगलोर से इसलिए आए हो? कार्ड दिखाओ.
I'm a tax consultant at
Salman.
Young. I've come all the way. My Jiju works at Eros, and I had to come.
Okay, we'll figure this out at the end. All right, there's a question here.
मैं शुरू करूँ सलमान? हाँ. मेरा सवाल ये सलमान कि जो रिएक्शन मिले हैं यहाँ पे वैसा तो लगता है कि इस साल की ईद जो है वो सलमान खान के नाम होगी. लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि पहले जो है सुहेल खान प्रोडक्शन, दूसरा अरबाज खान प्रोडक्शन, अब क्या ज़रूरत हो गई कि सलमान खान प्रोडक्शन खोलने की आपको?
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा.
बात तो सही है यार. एक अतुल का भी प्रोडक्शन है. सोहेल खान के बच्चे सोहेल खान के.
टैक्सेस ज़्यादा
मेरे तो नहीं है.
taxes-
अरबाज खान के बच्चे अरबाज खान के. मेरे तो नहीं है. बेबी के बच्चे अतुल बेबी के. अबे तो
You asked for it. You were a sitting duck.
प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट किया है फिल्मों से. इसको चलने दो. उसके बाद वहां पर लाइन लगा देंगे.
इंशाल्लाह. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
विजुअलाइज मत करना कोई.
Salman? Right?
Yeah.
It's said that, you know, to work with animals and kids, it's quite difficult. And your work, you will be with the kid 24/7 if we see the entire frame. How was it working with the baby, with a small little one?
She is like, she's so beautiful. Yeah, she's like a delight to work with. I mean, I absolutely loved every moment with her on screen and the space that we shared. And she's such a beautiful girl. वो अनोखी है. एक ही piece बनी है. I think what she does, you know, off screen and on screen, you know, is to people is something unbelievable. She's the most gorgeous, the most beautiful child that I've ever met.
She threw any tantrums on sets?
Yes, that too.
And you had to face.
But that is a part of being that. When I at this age have not understood, I still throw them.
Salman
Thank
sir.
you.
Salman sir, here. In the middle. Yeah. Salman sir.
गाड़ी खाली हो गई तेरी?
Salman sir, here in the middle. Sakhi here from Times Now. Congratulations on the trailer. We've been waiting to meet you, you know, for a long time, and the kind of response that you've received so far has been amazing. And the kind of support that you've received from your fans and the audience also through the
सवाल पे आ
case.
जाओ ना.
Also through the case proceedings has been amazing. But the promotions of the movie are going to coincide with the High Court case proceedings as well. Any apprehension, any thoughts on that? Anything
No,
that
we
you
don't
wanna
want to go to discuss that. We're discussing Bajrangi
Salman,
Bhaijaan. So
any-
the gentleman over there whose dadi is now half.
But
Come
I
on.
think she's just asking if it kind of affects the promotions of Bajrangi. He's not asking about
How
it.
sweet you are यार.
Thank you so much. Thank
क्या
you, sir.
बात करने का क्या अंदाज है यार आपका.
try.
Salman, you said
Yeah,
the
your
little
question,
girl.
please.
Salman, you said the little girl is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
And yeah.
हाँ.
Lipika.
हाँ.
So,
हाँ, one day I want. And one day very soon I want. And in fact,
Not
one day,
that.
yeah, like
मैं माँ हूँ आपकी.
हाँ बस वही माँ भी एक और चाहिए मुझे. हाँ, 2 हो गई हैं, तीसरी भी आ जाइए.
नहीं, मेरा सवाल है.
लेकिन इसके लिए तस्वीर दीजिए. I'll have to ask my father. I can't make.
He knows me. He knows me very well. I keep talking to him for my
Oh.
article. For my article. No, I was asking you, Salman, कि why is it कि बड़ी बड़ी लड़कियों से आपकी नहीं पट पाती है?
I'm not getting the question
बड़ी
though.
बड़ी लड़कियों से नहीं पट पाती मतलब कितनी बड़ी? नाम लेके बात करो ना. नाम लो ना प्लीज.
She's shying away from her own question
अरे
now.
नाम लो ना. ये तो अच्छी बात है ना. अच्छी बात है.
Salman, hi. This is Sohail. Hi. Just needed to ask. I think that this was the first time कि कोई हीरो ने हीरोइन को बहन जी कहा होगा. In fact, like how difficult it was to tell this particular. और ये how did it really start? And Kareena, how did you take this particular?
It was very easy. It's not difficult.
Thanks a lot. Kareena, you've got to have a comeback to this.
Yeah, the same thing. I just needed to
मैंने
ask.
दिल पे पत्थर रखकर मुझे कसम खुदा की जब वो आता था ना बहन जी किस एंगल से बहन जी लग रही हैं यार.
अब तो नहीं लग रही हूँ definitely. Not right now.
उस वक्त भी नहीं लग रही थी.
Kareena, my
कब
question
कभी
is
बहन जी
to
नहीं
you.
लगी.
Kareena,
One second. We'll just go with her question.
एक तो आप हो.
Hi, Kareena. And
All right. There's another
Hi,
question.
Kareena.
Mr. Nandu, my question is to you.
One second. There's a lady who's already started her question. We'll come to your question next.
Kareena, my question is for you. You've worked with all the four Khans. So working with which Khan was the best experience for you?
whichever Khan my next release is with, he's the best.
Answer next.
Fab. Okay.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Kareena, interestingly, both.
ये तो कमाल है. ये तो ना मम्मी के सामने who's better mummy or daddy? मम्मी. And daddy के सामने who's better? Daddy or mummy? Daddy. Simple सा जवाब है ये.
Salman.
Kareena, you know,
Salman.
you've obviously.
I think if we all like peace and we want to live in harmony, I think this film will be the best film ever for that. Yeah, definitely.
Salman, इधर.
Can we have
Nandu, my
just-
question is to you.
इधर. Salman,
Mr.
इधर.
Nandu.
Hi, Kareena.
इधर.
Hold
Kareena,
on.
you
There's
obviously-
sorry.
एक मिनट.
I'm sorry. He
शुरू
started his
में आपने
question.
कहा
जी.
कि स्टोरी वो इतनी मतलब अच्छी लगी आपको कि कहीं और ना चली जाए. तो लगता है कि एक स्टोरी कहीं ना कहीं आपकी है जो जिस तरह की हमदर्दी जिस तरह के किस्से आपके होते हैं कि ये कर दिया वहाँ 100 साइकिलें दे दी वहाँ 100 लोगों को हार्ट के
सर
ऑपरेशन
एम्बैरस
करवा
मत
दिए.
कीजिए सर इतना कम बोल के.
है ना. नहीं मतलब ये
कौन से पेपर के लिए काम करते हैं आप? ओन करते हैं आप सर?
मायापुरी मैगजीन.
अरे
तो
भारती
तो कहीं ना कहीं ये आपको स्टोरी
कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है सर 100 का सर बहुत गड़बड़ है सर. इसमें कुछ जीरो तो और डालने पड़ेंगे.
तो ये
सर जो मेरा एक नजरिया है फिल्में करने का कि जब भी मैं कोई फिल्म करूं मुझे वो कैरेक्टर इतना अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि जब मैं उस फिल्म से निकलूं तो आई हैव टू बी मोर दैट कैरेक्टर देन बी मी. एंड माय थिंग इज पीपल से कि हम सलमान खान को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. अच्छा सलमान खान को मत फॉलो करो. सलमान खान की जो इमेज है फिल्म की उसे फॉलो करो बिकॉज दैट इज फार अहेड. जो बीइंग ह्यूमन की है और जो फिल्मों की इमेज है ये थोड़ा सा ये लॉट है ना सामने का मायापुरी है, थोड़ा सा उसमें दे देते हैं थोड़ा सा एक टोचन.
लेकिन आपने अगर देखा होगा अगर सलमान की कोई फिल्म होती है तो उसमें जो दर्शक हैं आपके जो आपके फैंस हैं वो करीना से भी ये सवाल हुआ था कि ना तो वो स्टोरी देखते ना ही वो आपके को आर्टिस्ट देखते सिर्फ सलमान को देखते हैं.
नहीं सर ये ट्रू नहीं है सर. जो भी स्टोरीज हमने की हैं जो कि हमको अच्छी लगती हैं वही हम करते हैं. जो हमको अच्छी नहीं लगती वो हम नहीं करते हैं. तो अगर मुझे अच्छी लगी है तो जाहिर है एज अ फिल्म गोअर वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे दोस्तों मेरे फैंस को भी अच्छी लगेगी.
Okay, we'll be taking two more questions. Can we just see a show of hands because we have no idea where the mic is? Yeah.
Hi, Karina. Interestingly, obviously you guys are together in this movie, but interestingly also, Shuddhi was offered to you and to him, which now is being done by Varun and Alia. He has given his blessings on Twitter to Varun and with you. So, which I think he said also that he was very happy about, which Salman mentioned. What about you? I
Why
think
तो I'm out of the film? Why are you out of the film?
I left it because Ritik was in the film first. He didn't do it then.
Then when I said yes,
I wasn't in the movie.
you were not there in the movie.
so. Basically, it could have been possible if both of you knew you all are going to be approached for the movie.
Yes,
That's hypothetical.
बजरंगी भाईजान की बात करो ना.
Exactly.
We thought we had a lot
It's
of
gone
questions.
wrong.
I thought might as well
All
ask
right.
others.
Can we have our last
You'll have
question?
enough
There's
time.
a
This
lady
whole
over
month
there
will have
in the
enough time.
blue. Can we have a question from her,
question
please?
is to you, Mr. Nandu.
Makrana
Eros
magazine
has
se.
been on a roll
Salman
with films
bhai.
like
Ek
Badlapur,
minute, bhai sahab.
NH10,
Calm,
Kanu
calm.
Vs Manu. What expectations are you carrying with Bajrangi Bhaijaan now?
Told you expect fireworks this Eid. That's all I can say.
Thank you.
The fireworks will be preponed from
Salman?
Diwali. Yes, there's
Salman
a
bhai.
gentleman over
Yeah.
there. He started his
Yeah.
question. एक minute, आप पूछ चुके हैं? एक मिनट उनसे
सलमान
पूछिए।
भाई आपको ये बच्ची कहाँ मिलती है और आप इसको पाकिस्तान छोड़ने की जिम्मेदारी क्यों लेते हो?
सर क्योंकि आपको नहीं मिली और आपने जिम्मेदारी नहीं ली, इसलिए सर.
Salman?
Karina, Karina,
All
मेरा
right.
question.
The last
Karina,
question.
Salman,
on your right. Karina, here.
We'll do one question here.
करीना
First,
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है आपने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि कभी आपने सलमान को योगा करते हुए नहीं देखा है और योगा डे आ रहा है
तो अभी कर लेते हैं
तो अभी तो क्या आप बजरंगी भाईजान के सेट पे सलमान योगा करते थे कि नहीं कुछ बताएंगी
सूर्य नमस्कार
आपका नाम क्या है?
तान्या तान्या
कौन सी पब्लिकेशन से हैं आप?
लाइव इंडिया
लाइव इंडिया.
सलमान request
Okay, there's a
जवाब
question
दो.
here.
जवाब दो.
सलमान क्या सलमान को किस चीज से सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है?
इस सवाल के बाद मेरा मन चाह रहा है कि मैं
सलमान my question
Nawaz,
for you
my
is
question is
आपको
One second,
सबसे
one second,
ज्यादा
guys.
डर
Hello.
किससे लगता है?
There's a lady here who's been wanting to ask a
सलमान-
question. The last
सलमान-
question.
सलमान को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? सलमान को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? सलमान this side.
You know, it is so sweet of them. I absolutely loved what they did for me, and lots of respect and lots of love.
Mini, one question from here, please.
Yeah, okay,
Question
one
from
second. I
here.
think that side has got an
Just
ample
now,
opportunity.
Can you
Hold on, guys. You can't scream out your questions. There are other people who are already in line. Yes, the girl here.
I've been doing that for the longest, for the longest time. But the fact that we're getting this kind of, coverage, for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, it is because of Shah Rukh and Amir. It's because they were the ones who released the poster first, the first look. So, I mean, we've got those many eyeballs and, that much of, क्या बोलते हैं उसमें? Huh? Yeah, extra interest is because of my two buddy brothers.
नवाज यहाँ पे हम लोग
Okay, there's a girl there in the purple. Yes.
Salman.
Okay.
नवाज over here. नवाज जब
सलमान ये सवाल
Right now,
Other
people
question,
cannot
okay.
afford. Right now, people cannot afford
Yeah.
1 in 2 films. You want 3 in 1 film? Yeah, like maybe like one jhalak here, one jhalak there, one jhalak there.
Okay,
नवाज
guys.
जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले
We
थे
would
We
love,
love
we would love
Bajrangi
to
Bhaijaan
do.
questions.
We would love to. We would love to
नवाज-
do a film together. That's for sure.
सलमान को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? क्या
ये कब से अटकी हुई इसी सवाल पे यार कब से
आप जवाब
कब से
I don't even know
अरे
तो
कब
क्या
से
करूं?
इग्नोर कहाँ हैं आप कब से इग्नोर किए जा रहे हैं हम आपको और आप पूछे ही जा रही हैं पूछे ही जा रही हैं
नवाज
अभी जवाब हो गया।
नवाज towards your right. Nawaz, when we met,
See, they, Soul started this Bhai thing, and after that, Sanju started calling me Bhaijan and then Bhaij, and then it got stuck on. But it is also really good, but it's also really bad.
Nawaz,
There are a lot of girls who are
Nawaz-
protesting that this film's called Bhaijan. They don't want to call
Nawaz,
Salman
oh,
Bhaijan.
yeah.
Please, they should, huh? They should. They should.
नवाज जब
इतना
हम
easily as भाई में accept मत कर लो the women.
नवाज जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले थे तब आपने कहा था बजरंगी भाईजान की स्क्रिप्ट ने आपको पागल कर दिया था और आपके कैरेक्टर बहुत ही सही है। तभी आपने कहा था आप ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकते कैरेक्टर के बारे में, तो अभी आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हैं?
हाँ, अभी इतना बता सकता हूँ कि मेरा फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर है वो रिपोर्टर का है, पाकिस्तानी रिपोर्टर का।
हाँ, आपने कहा
एक मिनट. Okay, guys, that's it. We're going to close the questions because it's just going all over the place.
Salman, just one question.
The one.
Alok, please.
Nawaz, would you like to answer this question? आपने क्या तैयारियां की थी to play a Pakistani character? That's the question, and that we end with that.
अच्छी खासी तैयारी की थी, हम वो सीक्रेट है अभी बता नहीं सकते।
Okay.
Salman, just one question. Can I?
एक
Just
second.
one question, please.
इस बच्चे को सवाल पूछना है जो कि इसकी मम्मी ने इसको सिखाया होगा 100%.
Okay, ask your question.
और जब सवाल आएगा तो 100% सब लोग साक्षी हैं यहाँ पर कि ये सवाल बच्चे का हो सकता है या बच्चे की मम्मी का है। मैं ये बच्चे का ही है। इसने मम्मी की इज्जत बचाने के लिए इसने जड़ से सवाल चेंज करा। बच्चा बात है तुझ में।
All right, Salman, we're going to be wrapping up the question. Just a final roundup from you.
Just
ये
one
तो चलता है.
question.
You
Salman,
know,
just one question.
you'll have a final word from you about why people should come and watch this film.
I think this is one of the purest films that I've done. I think it's a great movie. It's a story superbly written and extremely well told. I think this is the film to watch, not once, over and over again. And this is the film to follow. If you follow this movie, and if you be this character, I don't think anyone can touch this country or any other country or any human being. He's such a positive character. And I think that everyone should be like these kind of characters.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. There will be
no message. The
many
message
more
is,
opportunities.
is about just being who you are and just following your heart. There's no message, there's no gyan. It has romance, it has love, it has a great story, it has emotions, it has drama, it has everything. It's a proper Hindi film, but it's like a very purely told story.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, the locket will be out pretty soon, and we're getting. I have people calling me for it, and it's a question of a couple of weeks. It'll be out there.
All right.
I'm really, really happy with that.
Okay,
I'm
there's a last
extremely
question for
happy with that.
Karina.
I get-
Here, the lady in the blue. The lady in the blue, please.
आप अपसेट हो गई ना क्योंकि मैं आपको बुलाता हूँ ना।
Salman can call me whatever he likes.
I call her Bebo, I call her baby, I call her sweetheart, I call her मेरी जान।
All right. Okay, these are very arbitrary questions. The lady you've been asking a question for a long time. The lady in the curly hair with the multicolored top. The last
He should
question
try
for
it.
tonight. Yes.
Salman here. Salman.
Yes, 1 second.
One second.
Okay.